Kids' cartoon channels are really popular on YouTube, and today I will be showing you how to create your very own animated cartoon channel in CapCut using only free methods. So make sure you guys follow along step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to create an animated cartoon just like this one.
Wow, look at this amazing rainforest. The trees here are so tall, they create a canopy that blocks out most of the sunlight.
First of all, we need a script for our animated cartoon. I will be using Claude AI to create the script. You can use the same prompt as me or change it to fit what you need. I will leave the prompt in the description box so you can copy or adjust it as you like. And just like that, we will have the perfect script for our cartoon. Now we have to generate the voiceover. For that, we will use 11 Labs. Open a new tab and search for 11 Labs. It's the best AI text-to-speech tool. Log in with your Google account and you will see this interface. Paste your script here. Then, select the voice you want to use for your voiceover. I suggest listening to a few voices and choosing the one that fits your script best. I'm going to use the voice called Alicia. Once everything is set, click on Generate Speech. This will create your voiceover.
Wow, look at this amazing rainforest.
Once done, download it. My voiceover is done. Now we need some background videos according to our video. Open another tab and search for Vecteezy. Open the website and select videos from here instead of vectors. Then, search for rainforest animated videos. Download videos like this from Vecteezy. As you can see, there are plenty of animated videos available here that we can use. Open the video that you want to download and click on the free download button from here. Download videos from here based on the length of your video. For example, if your video is 1 minute long, 7 videos should be enough. If you reach your free download limit on Vecteezy or can't find the right background footage for your video, don't worry, just open Canva. There are also plenty of other free sites you can use to download background videos like Pexels, Pixabay, and many more. I'm sure if you're watching this video, you're already familiar with these sites. After opening Canva, click on Videos. After opening the project, go to the Elements tab and search for Rainforest. Then switch to the Videos section. Here, you'll find plenty of videos available that you can add to your project and download. Now we have the voiceover and background videos. It's time to bring our character to life and make them lip-synced. So go ahead and search for Animate from Audio and open the first website. Sign up with your Google account. After that, click on Start Now. Choose any character according to your video. I will choose young people from the category and choose this girl named Aletta. Choose any background you want. You can upload any image as a background here or choose any solid color. I will go with the green screen. Choose the aspect ratio here. After that, click on Browse and upload the voiceover you generated from 11 Labs. Okay, now it is done. Let me play it.
Wow, look at this amazing rainforest. The trees here are so tall,
Okay, let's download it. Now that we've got our animated backgrounds and character ready, the last step is putting everything together in CapCut. Open a new project, click on Import. I'm going to import everything I just downloaded, and then I'll start adding these animated backgrounds to the timeline. Adjust the length of the background videos. After that, drag the character video to the timeline. First, right-click on it and extract the audio. Come to the editing panel and click on Remove BG. Enable the chroma key and click on the color picker. Then click on the green color, and it will be gone. Adjust the intensity and shadow to remove the green color completely. If the green color isn't being completely removed, go to Adjustments. Click on HSL, select the green color, and then reduce the saturation. Okay guys, let's have a look.
Wow, look at this amazing rainforest. The trees here are so tall, they create a canopy that...
You heard that she's talking about the tall trees, but the first background video clip doesn't have tall trees. The second clip does. So I'm going to drag the second clip to the first position. Alright guys, as you can see, she looks a bit out of place since she's just standing on the water and is much bigger compared to the background. So, what I'm going to do is go to the end of the animated background clip, where the background ends, and split the clip for my animated character. Now I will make her fit into the scene better by shrinking her down and positioning and adjusting her in the background right here. Now she doesn't seem out of place. She looks like she's just chilling here, right in the middle of the stream, which is perfect. Let's check it out.
Wow, look at this amazing rainforest. The trees...
That looks amazing because now she actually seems like she's hanging out in the middle of a rainforest. One more trick to make this video even better is to add some keyframes and zoom in on her as she's talking. It'll really enhance the scene. So what we can do is select both of these clips, right-click, and make them a compound clip, which will join the clips together. Now we can add a keyframe. I'll click on the keyframe, scroll to the end of this clip, and zoom in right about there. Let's see what it looks like with the keyframe added.
Wow, look at this amazing rainforest. The trees here are so tall.
Okay, that looks awesome. Now that our intro clip is looking great, I'm just going to adjust her placement in the other clip so she doesn't appear to be standing in the middle of the water. I'll go ahead and do that, and then we'll check it out again. As you can see now, this is much better than before. As I scroll through quickly, you'll notice that she now appears to be part of the scene, as if she's genuinely in the rainforest, rather than just a large character in the middle of the screen. She blends into the background much more naturally. I'll show you the full video soon, but first, we need to add some sound effects in CapCut to make the video really pop. Go to the Audio tab, and then go to Sound Effects. Search for Rainforest here. Listen to a few sound effects and choose the one that fits your video best. Then add it. For example, I'll drag and drop the first one onto my timeline. After that, adjust its volume. I usually set it to -20. If its length is shorter than your video, copy and paste it to match the duration.
Providing water for plants and animals. Hey, what's that sound? It's getting louder. Oh my gosh, a waterfall.
You can hear that it sounds like a waterfall, so we need to add a waterfall sound as well. Search for waterfall. Add any waterfall sound you like, adjust it, and set its volume as needed. Now we need to add some transitions between these clips. For this, go to the Transitions tab and choose any simple transition that suits your video. I'll add this black fade transition. Drag and drop it between the two clips like this, then click Apply to All to add the same transition to all clips. Once everything is done, click the Export button in the top right corner. Name your file, set the resolution, and then click the Export button. Alright, now let me show you the final result.
Wow, look at this amazing rainforest. The trees here are so tall, they create a canopy that blocks out most of the sunlight. That's why it's so dim down here on the forest floor. Oh, listen, do you hear that? It's a stream. Streams are like nature's highways in the rainforest, providing water for plants and animals. Hey, what's that sound? It's getting louder. Oh my gosh, a waterfall. Waterfalls aren't just beautiful. They're really important for the ecosystem. They aerate the water, which means they add oxygen to it. This helps fish and other aquatic creatures breathe. And look at all the plants growing near the water. They're so lush and green. Water is the lifeblood of the rainforest, supporting an incredible diversity of life, from tiny insects to colorful frogs, from exotic flowers to towering trees. Everything here depends on water. Isn't nature amazing?
That's the end of this video. If you found it valuable, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll see you all in the next one.